A big statement came out today from the state's biggest private employer. All employees must be fully vaccinated, they say, by November 1st.
We're talking about Banner. That's the first hospital group in our state to make this mandatory. And while it has a lot of support, it's also seeing plenty of pushback. Brianna Whitney is live outside Banner UMC in Phoenix. So what are you hearing from healthcare workers there tonight?
Well, Banner Health says this decision comes down to protecting people, but those who don't agree say it's not right for an employer to decide what they do with their body. The messaging here, though, is clear. Banner Health believes in how important this vaccine is.
The top health official in Arizona saying this Tuesday.
This is becoming a pandemic of unvaccinated individuals.
And now the largest private employer in Arizona doing something to change that. Banner Health, which employs about 52,000 people, announcing all workers must be fully vaccinated by November 1st with very limited exceptions. The hospital system said the reason why: to protect patients, team members, and the community.
I think they're going to lose a lot of staff members.
Patricia Olivas is an X-ray tech and used to work at a Banner urgent care center. She is a healthcare worker who does not want the vaccine and feels this is wrong for Banner to force it onto employees.
They're taking the choice away from someone. And we make our own choices. Why should we have an employer say, you need this?
But other healthcare workers say this is a fantastic move. Dr. Sam Durrani is the Surgeon Chief of Staff at Deer Valley Medical Center and believes he and every healthcare worker has a duty to do the most they can to protect patients who are already vulnerable.
I think it's really important that healthcare workers get vaccinated, not only to protect themselves, but more importantly, we're blessed with this opportunity to take care of people when they're the sickest. And the worst thing that we can do is make them more sick.
State Health Director Kara Christ says getting vaccinated is the way we curb the Delta variant spread, and says there's a reason why healthcare workers were the very first ones the state made eligible to receive the vaccine.
We obviously value healthcare providers and prioritize them first because we don't want them to get sick and we don't want them to then potentially transmit it to vulnerable patients.
Banner Health officials say they will release much more details and information in the coming weeks, including that process and how to apply for exemption from that required vaccine. Reporting live in Phoenix tonight, Brianna Whitney for Arizona's Family.